Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and yes, I decided to add the Samsung Galaxy ZFlip 5G to the Foldable Dual Screen collection. I mean, it just didn't make sense. If I had these here, it needed to be added to the collection. I purchased this off the Samsung website, and I actually paid $450 for it after trade-in and everything. So this is my first flip. I did not have the original Z Flip, so I decided to why not get this and take a look. So we'll do a quick box tour and then get back into it.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Taking my first look at the Z Flip, I can notice the crease in the middle. Now it's noticeable, but it's not distracting. Let me show you the crease of the Z Fold 2, as you see here. Now this one's not as distracting because I have a matte screen protector, so it's not as glossy and shiny. Let me show you the crease down the middle of the original Fold. And honestly, folks, once you start using it and get into what you're doing, you don't even really notice it. You are looking at the Mystic Gray 256 gigabytes of storage variant, 2 cameras on the front, a flash, and a mini notification screen on the front. You have the power button, which serves as the fingerprint sensor as well. On top of that, you have your up and down volume keys. Let me bring it a little closer so that you can see. Then flipping it over to the left side, this is where the SIM tray is. There is no expandable storage with this device. Towards the bottom, you'll see you have the Type-C port, the microphone, as well as a single speaker. Take a look at the bottom of the device and you'll notice 2 little bumpers on the left and right. This helps to protect the device when you are folding it close. Here, located in the center, is the 10 megapixel selfie camera. At the top, you have the microphone, as well as don't forget the little earpiece, which is located here. Now, the first time folding the Z Flip, and it's rather satisfying, it's pretty smooth. The best thing though, this Mystic Gray allows for pretty much no fingerprints.
Spectacular Gadgets.
The resolution on this device is 2636 by 1080, so it's full HD plus Super AMOLED. I will do most of the setup off camera and I'll be back so we can do the face recognition setup. Wow, look at how that flower pops against the black background. Looks really good. What I'm not really feeling though is the screen protector. Very glossy and shiny, so not really feeling that too much, but the screen itself looks amazing. This is your notification window, which displays time, date, and battery percentage. If you swipe left or right, you can control certain apps or look at notifications. Speaking of fingerprint, you'll notice the collection of fingerprints on the display. So I'm not really feeling the screen protector that they placed on here. I will take this one off like I did the Z Fold 2 and put a matte one on there.
Headshot!
Let me show you the settings of this game. Select the gear, then I'm going to use advanced mode, but go ahead and select audio and graphics tab. Once we're in there, you'll notice that the graphic quality is already set to very high. The frame rate is just at high. So I'll use very high for the frame rate, and why not hit max and let's see if it'll go. So yeah, this can go ahead and play games at the max frame rate. Purchasing these, I mean, it's not cheap. I will go ahead and place the mag inside of the pistol to give you a complete look. Now, I must say this thing looks badass. This has so much. I have the blacked out rear sights. I have the red fiber optic sight in the front. I have a good amount of texture on the handle. Flex mode is a pretty nice feature. As you see, I'm in the camera app. I'll fold the device and the camera is at the top and my controls are at the bottom of the device. So this almost reminds me of an old school video camera. Also, let me not forget that video can be recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, flex mode works in certain apps, not all, but it works pretty good in YouTube, as you see here. So the top screen has the actual video, and let's say you wanted to comment. If you put it in flex mode, you can still watch the video and go ahead and comment without interrupting or covering up the video. I must say that I'm pretty impressed on how the Z Flip 5G holds its own. I mean, I'm a big Z Fold 2 fan, but this one is pretty good because it is compact. It can fold and you can throw it in your purse or pocket without even thinking about it. Some things that I noticed the first time playing Call of Duty with the device, it felt a little weird, especially coming from like your glass slab type devices. But after a while, you get used to it. You know, you just don't want to press too hard on the screen. The device got warm, but it's your typical warm, and it did very well for playing at the high graphics that it was playing in. I did notice, however, while playing the game, I was covering up the speaker, which then led me to realize that this device only has a single speaker, which you will cover up if you're playing any type of games or anything like that. Some key features that you should be aware of: this device features NFC, it has Samsung Pay, It is water resistant, which I was pretty surprised about. It does have Bixby, it does have wireless power share, and it does include the single take AI in your camera. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.